In this video, I will teach you how to set up an environment to be able to program on macOS Monterey version 12.7.6. This video will have 3 parts, but if you want to be different from most people, you can just follow the first part, and then you can leave this video. I think so. We go to the first part, installing the compiler. More precisely, downloading and installing. I will install the command line developer tools, also known as Xcode command line tools. The version that I am using is 14.2.0.0.1.1668646533. This version includes Clang. Clang is a compiler front-end for the programming languages C. If you learned the lesson 1.02, the role of code, high-level versus machine code, you knew what a compiler is, right? So, how to download and install Xcode command line tools? You can follow this page. First, you need to open this. Second, you type this command. And press enter. I installed it, but if you have not installed it yet, then. Third, you see a thing like this. And you click install and you see a license agreement below has an agree button. I am not responsible for you clicking the agree button. Click agree. So, how do we know if we have had Clang? You can see a complete list of Xcode command line tools by listing the contents of the directory. Go back to the terminal, type this command. Or you may type this command. Remember, we are still in the first part. And if you really want to leave this video after watching the first part. Okay, next, I need to find you an editor. First, you need to open this app. Next, you save. You put your project in the desktop, but first you should to create a folder for it. You name the folder My Project. You change RTF to TXT. You type your C code here. You save. Then you change TXT to C. We go to the My Project folder. This command will show you the items in the folder. You type this command. This command compiles main.c and creates an executable file named main. -o main or -o file, which means write output to main file or write output to file. Okay, you open this to run the program. Or you may run the program with this command. Awesome, right? For first part people, now you have had the C compiler, a text editor. With this environment, you can code, compile, and run programs, and you may leave this video. Okay, we go to the second part of this video. Downloading and installing a source code editor, specifically Visual Studio Code, also known as VS Code. First, downloading, you go to this page. If you click this button, the file you will get is the universal version. But if you want more specific, you may click this button here. Here, for example, my Mac is Intel, so I may install this. After downloading, I unzip. You may move this file to the Applications folder. This file seems to be safe, so I will open it. We go to the third part, installing some extensions for VS Code. You install this. But if you don't want to install them one by one, you can install this pack. This pack includes those 3 extensions. And you install this. You decide this yourself.